Good morning. It's kind of our last day today. Well, it is our last day today in Luang, Prabang.
We spent the last couple of days catching up on work because the weather here has been somewhat cold.
It has been freezing cold, so
I
we've
mean,
just been wrapped up
We've
warm.
probably been a little bit dramatic by saying freezing. It's maybe been 18 degrees at the hottest. But we had one more thing we wanted to do here, which was go visit a waterfall.
And we decided to wait it out for the first warm day on the weather forecast, so we are off to hire a scooter.
Here we go, this looks promising. Alex's favourite, Scoopy. Got me a helmet, it's a children's one. This is such a pretty drive. Kuang Si waterfall, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. The drive here was really nice, really pretty, really well signposted, so you don't need Google Maps or anything.
It's a little bit potholy, but if you're used to British roads, there's nothing new. So we're going to head out to the waterfall.
So it's 20,000 kip each to get in, which is about £1.80. There's a few different things here, so there's a bear rescue centre as well as lots of different viewing points of the waterfall. We're going to go and explore. They're having a nap. Seems alright.
So when we first looked at the map and we saw that the bear sanctuary was going to be very near Kuang Si waterfall, I was a little bit dubious because there are so many things that bill themselves as sanctuaries and they're actually not. I didn't have high hopes, but actually there's a huge amount of information up here about how these bears are rescued from bear bile farms, and bear bile is used in Chinese and Far Eastern medicine. So I actually think they are doing a genuinely really good job. And it's nice to see that the bears all look very happy, healthy, and with pretty large enclosures and lots of room to play.
I can see the waterfall, and the water is so turquoise, it looks beautiful.
So it is absolutely gorgeous blue water. It reminds me of a few years ago when me and my brother and my sister went to Croatia on a road trip. And we went somewhere called the Plitvice Lakes, where the water looks this amazing turquoise colour, and it's just because of the minerals in it and how clear it is.
So we saw our favourite YouTubers, Cara and Nate, get up to a top level of this waterfall. We're trying to get up there. I'm not exactly sure where to go, but basically we've walked up a path, there's no one else up here, so we'll see what happens.
So this, I believe, is the secret way that you're not supposed to go to get to the pool that's like halfway up. But it looks super sketchy. So I'm going to wimp out because we only have like 15-20 minutes before we have to leave. And I think we both should have a dip in the waterfall at least before we go. So I reckon we get to the bottom, have a dip, and then get back on the bike. Otherwise, we're not going to get the bike back in time.
You need to get in it first. One. I'm coming in. I'm just going to jump straight in.
Okay. Go. Cold, huh?
There you go.
I'm getting straight out because I am not going home blue. Oh God, it's cold. Alright, alright.
Are you a man or a mouse? Come on. Yeah, I know, I'm in it. Come on then. You do realise that I've been in here for ages, getting colder, and you're just sitting there like a wimp. I'm going to push you in. Well, come here then.
That's enough of that. There's not enough meat on me.
Finally, that took 3 minutes and 15 seconds for Alex to actually get in the water. So it's safe to say that was really cold. I would definitely recommend coming on a warm day, but the battery's just about to die on this and we need to get the motorbike back.
Yes.
So we're going to head home now. So this is not ideal when we need to be back in 25 minutes, is it?
No. Stuck in a massive traffic jam.
I think there might be an accident or something. Oh wow, this looks like it's going to be fun. And this is what the hold-up was all about. Just laying a new road in the middle of the day. It's 2 minutes to 6. We've just come back into Luang and bike shop shut at 6. So we just made it back in time. Well, not really. We were late, but
they were just closing the shop, but we managed to return the bike and we've got my passport back, so we can actually leave tomorrow morning as planned.
So we're going to head back to our accommodation.
And then we're going to go out for some dinner.
So it's actually the anniversary of when we met, so we thought we might go out for a bit of a treat tonight.
Get a bottle of wine.
Maybe a steak.
Yeah.
So we're probably not going to take the camera out. So I think we'll say thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.